Hey there, everybody. Today I wanted to talk to you about a recent switch that I made to Close to My Heart inks. Now, I haven't thrown away any of my other inks, and if you've been following me here for a while, you'll know that I used to use Stampin' Up! Ink. But when they changed their ink kind of platform, I started to really rethink it, and I became a Close to My Heart ambassador. And with that, they sent me a couple of inks. Now, this post is not sponsored by Close to My Heart. I just want to give you an honest review of these inks because I really, really love them. And the main reason why I love them is because they are magnetic. So they attach together so beautifully without falling apart on a shelf. So if you have a shelf to set your inks on, you don't have to worry about them getting, falling off your shelf. The magnets help them to stick together. So you can see how easily that happens here. Here's another thing that I love about them. When you take them off, that also stays together too. So I can, set it on my desktop there, not lose the lid because the lid comes all the way off. And when you stick it back on, look how easy this is because the magnets are there. You can just flip it like that. So these are the exclusive inks that I have. These are water-based dye inks. They're acid-free, great for scrapbooking. Wow, look at that color combination. I think I need to use that here. I just really love these. I am slowly increasing the number of them that I have. But I just wanted to let you guys know that, these are just such a great ink. They also have such a big pad, which I love for when you're stamping with big stamps. Being a scrapbooker, I often use big alphabet stamps, and I love being able to fit that whole stamp on the ink pad. Let me show you the colors that I have at the moment. Candy Apple is a beautiful red. Raspberry is just gorgeous. Pixie. I have Ballerina, Canary, and Saffron. Saffron's just a bit darker than the Canary. Mint, Glacier, Sweet Leaf. This one's Fern. And then I have Willow, Lagoon, Carolina, Bluebird. I have two sapphire inks because this is pretty much my most used ink. Lilac, Thistle, Mink, Pewter, and black. So those are the colors I currently have. This system is the other amazing thing that I wanted to show you. This is called Workspace Wonder, and you can find it on page 56 of the Close to My Heart September to August 2020 catalog. And this system is just fantastic. There are so many different components to it that you can build to create any kind of storage that you'd like. There's even a carousel that spins around, so if you prefer to have your inks able to spin, then you can get a carousel base. But I just wanted to show you here the ones that I have here. So these are all magnetic they just fit in together with these little pegs. So I have 3 different ink storage, and then I have this tray and then the larger tray at the bottom. So I could actually take out this tray and put it elsewhere on my desk, put these here. You can stack them any way you'd like. I could do 3 across, I could do 3 up high, and then do something else on the side. But it makes it so easy to store your inks on your desktop so that you can see them really clearly and grab what you need straight away. I also love how the large tray at the bottom holds my close to my heart acrylic blocks. So this has been a staple on my desk for some time now, and I'm really enjoying it. It just makes it look so pretty too with all of the colors. I store everything in my studio space according to Roy G. Biv, and so this is just another way that I do that, and it sits at the corner of my desk, and it's just a happy, happy, colorful spot on my desk. Be sure to check out all of the Close to My Heart inks available at the link in my video notes. And I'm very excited to be giving away one Pixie exclusive ink pad to one lucky winner on my Instagram feed. So head over there at the link in my video notes to follow the instructions and enter to win. This has been an honest review of the Close to My Heart exclusive inks, and I hope you love them as much as I do. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating!